In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to download Trulia. If you're looking for homes to buy or rent and want reliable neighborhood insights, getting the official Trulia app on your Android phone is a great first step. We'll go from downloading the app to opening it for the first time, and I'll point out what you can explore once you're inside. Start by opening the Google Play Store on your Android phone. This is the official secure place to get apps, and it's the easiest way to make sure you're installing the real Trulia app. Once the Play Store is open, tap the search bar at the top of the screen and type Trulia. In the search results, look for the official listing named Trulia, Homes for Sale and Rent by Trulia. Choosing this exact title ensures you're getting the trusted version from the proper developer. You'll also recognize the brand's familiar home icon, which can help you confirm you're in the right place. Next, tap Install. Your phone will begin downloading the app and then automatically install it. You'll see a progress bar and the speed will depend on your internet connection. When it finishes, tap Open to launch Trulia right away. On the first screen, you can sign in to personalize your experience or simply start browsing homes immediately. Signing in helps you save searches and listings across devices, but it's perfectly fine to look around first and sign in later if you prefer. Once you're in the app, you can search homes for sale and rent using location, price, bedrooms, and other filters to quickly narrow down options. Trulia shines when it comes to neighborhood information and local reviews. So take a moment to explore the area insights to understand the vibe of each community. Browse high-quality photos, check out virtual tours when available, and use the interactive maps to see exactly where each property sits. If you find places you like, save the listings to keep them organized and turn on alerts so you'll be notified when new properties that match your preferences hit the market. You can also check commute times to key destinations, look up nearby schools, review crime data presented in map form, and scan local amenities like parks, grocery stores, and dining to get a fuller picture of daily life in that area. That's it. Quick, simple, and you're ready to explore. Download from the Google Play Store, install, open, and then sign in or start browsing homes right away. Enjoy your home search with Trulia and make the most of those neighborhood insights to find the place that truly fits your life.